Okay guys, so I was just trying to do a live video. I tried 3 times and now I'm frustrated, so I decided I would just record it and post it. So this is our 30-minute chicken recipe. If you go to pamperedchef.biz/D Snowden and then go to recipes and 30-minute meals and then poultry, you'll find this recipe. I have some sweet potatoes. Let's see if I can bring you down to see my sweet potatoes. Can you see the oven? Oh, see those? Those are on the large white round stone. That's our nice one with the glaze, our round stone with the glaze, and it's raised and it has handles and it's great for roasting veggies or potatoes. And then I just drizzle it with olive oil, a little garlic, salt, and pepper. Pop those in at 400 degrees. Now I'm going to be making my 30-minute chicken. So I've got my chicken here. It's already rinsed and patted dry. I'm actually making 2. So usually you just need a 1 cup. This is my silicone prep cup. Recipe calls for one of our 1 cup prep bowls, but I'm using my 2 cup silicone prep bowl for my seasonings. It also calls for our seasoning mix, which I don't have any of our seasonings yet, so I'm just going to kind of throw some seasonings together. Some of them it does call for, so I need my phone so that I can get my recipe. Alright. So rinsed the chicken, took the giblets and everything out, patted it dry, the neck, the giblets, all that. Patted it dry. Here is my deep covered baker, which is what we are going to be cooking this in the microwave, 30 minutes. Awesome. Love the microwave. So this is the deep covered baker. It's one of our stoneware pieces, stone on the inside of the lid and the dish, and it's got the pretty, they call it gray, I call it cocoa brown glaze. It's really super pretty. Some of you have the maroon one, and it's fine. You can use that in that. You can use this recipe in that one too. So it says to spray it with a spray. So I'm going to use my olive oil spray. Just lightly spray it on the inside. Okay. Then I'm going to combine my seasoning. So it says seasoning mixture. I'm not sure what that is, so I'm going to use Italian seasoning because I think Italian seasoning goes well with chicken. Better. Okay. And again, I'm doubling this. So 2 tablespoons. Oh, that's flour. 1 teaspoon seasoning mixture. Oh wait, it doesn't say how much seasoning mixture. Oh, I am so whispered. Okay, seasoning mixture. They're just saying that the seasoning mixture is comprised of these things. You guys, anybody can do this. Anybody can do Pampered Chef. Okay, even people who are a little special at reading recipes. Okay, so I need to get my flour. So for THMers that are out there, you could probably use almond flour, coconut flour, whatever flour is your preference. So it's 1 tablespoon. I'm using my adjustable measuring spoons. Okay, I'm going to use the tablespoon one. Again, they slide. Clear plastic. It has the measurements right on there. You just slide it down to the one that you want, which is 1 tablespoon. Okay. 1 teaspoon of paprika, so again I'm doubling it. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons. And actually I've got the teaspoon one here also, but our tablespoon has a 2 teaspoon measurement on it, so I'm just going to use that. Are you and Brooks playing, Keller? Are you playing hide and seek with him? Just make sure you don't scare him, okay? Half a teaspoon garlic powder, so that's 1 whole teaspoon. This one has a teaspoon on it also. Usually I like to use my stackable measuring spoons, but I don't know what my kids have done with them. I have not found them yet. So garlic powder, 1 teaspoon, because I'm doubling it again. Same thing, 1 teaspoon of salt, calls for half. THMers, you probably could also do this without the flour. I just don't know if it affects like the browning of it or not. Not sure. It's the first time I've made this, so. 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, so I'll just do half a teaspoon. So for that, I'll use my teaspoon measurer. I've got a half a teaspoon there. Hi, Joe.
It's a little better. You should have more room to pull closer. You're gonna have to.
I appreciate that.
Yeah. I knew that he just doesn't have the time.
No, he does not.
No way
That is
Jose does not.
true. That is true. Half a teaspoon dried thyme. Do you see Papa? Papa's here. All right, so I'm just mixing it up. Mix, 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 mix. All right. So then I'm going to, let's see, more ingredients bowl. I think I'm supposed to. Tie hands up. Yada yada. Brush with oil. I don't know if it is. My silicone basting brush wants me to baste it with the olive oil, and it calls for 1 tablespoon. So, I'm just gonna pour a little bit. This is my 1 cup silicone, which I could have used for my doubling my seasonings. Excuse me, that pepper. Whew. All right, that's about a tablespoon. So I'm just going to baste my chicken with this. Get in there good. Get on the wings. Baste, baste, baste. All right, you guys know about basting, right? Yeah. So what's for dinner at your guys' house tonight? Huh? Super excited about this 30-minute chicken and that I can use the microwave. I know a lot of people don't like to use the microwave, but some of us have such busyness that the microwave is amazing to be able to use. Okay, so this basting brush is awesome because I don't know if you can see, but it has a little arm so you can set it on the rim of any bowl. Okay, rolling up my sleeves. So I'm going to use half of the seasoning. We're just going to pat it on. If you guys try this recipe out, post it on my personal page or on my business page. I have a business page on Facebook, and you can find it. It's just Dani Snowden, Pampered Chef, Independent Pampered Chef Consultant. I think you can just search it on Facebook. If you want an invite, just let me know. All right, there we go. Okay. Oh, I got a bunch that didn't make it over here. Okay, and again, it says to tie up the legs and the wings, but I'm not going to do that. It says also to place it in breast side up, so I'm just going to place it right in my deep covered baker. Microwave it on high for 25 to 30 minutes. When it comes out, you're going to put the lid on it and let it set for 10 minutes. And there you go, 30 minutes, a whole chicken.